Hello, my name is Matt Cush. I am a teacher at Grand Island Senior High School. I've been there for 3 years now. The subjects that I teach are Spanish 2 and Spanish for Spanish Speakers 1. I'm also a graduate of Grand Island Senior High School. I have 8 years of total classroom teaching experience. My educational background has all been through the University of Nebraska at Kearney, UNK, the Lopers. When I graduated high school in 2002, I went to UNK and started studying business and Spanish as an undergrad. In 2006, I got my degree in business, but I decided to stay at UNK and continue learning Spanish. In 2009, I accepted a graduate assistant teaching position through UNK, and that's how I earned my master's degree. In 2011 through 2013, I was in the transition to teaching program through UNK. My personal goals in the next 1 to 5 years would be to have kids. 6 to 10 years would be to become debt free, and in the 10 plus years, buy an RV and to travel the country. That might not help with the debt free, but we'll cross that when we come to it. My professional goals in the next 1 to 5 years are to continue teaching at Grand Island Senior High and transition to the admin side of education. 6 to 10 years would be to be a building principal in Grand Island, my hometown, and to continue to be in 10 plus years to continue to be a principal and then to eventually retire. Why did I choose Fort Hays State University? Well, the first reason would be because of Dr. Yoakum, Dr. Chris Yoakum, who came to Grand Island and gave a presentation about Fort Hays State. And I knew him already from UNK when I was a graduate assistant there. I really liked him a lot. He talked about the program and I was interested. Also, the cost was a factor as well because the prices were very good through Fort Hays State. And my expectations through this program are to learn new technology and to learn to become a building principal.